What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get the driving theory test cleared with the help of Claude. So for that I have made a detailed prompt regarding this thing, which is I have pasted it over here. I have helped have taken help using the other AI tools to craft this prompt, and I will put it in the description of the video so you guys can take help of it. Now, what it will do, it will help me out in clearing my test for the theory of the driving for the car and in the UK country or region. So the first question is UK car theory, right? Let's get work to it. You're driving on a single carriageway road. There are no speed limit signs or no street lighting. What is the national speed limit for a car? So I even don't live in UK, but I'm just gonna go with the 30 mph, and let's see whether I pass or fail, because it's gonna go ahead and go to the other question, and let's see what it will do. Because it's one of the 5 questions. Now it's going to go to the next question. Let's wait a few seconds till we actually have the other question. Answer noted, not feedback until the end of the round in good dry condition, which is the typical overall stopping distance for a car traveling at 15 miles per hour. So this is kind of a tricky question. It includes math, but let's see, because 50 miles isn't that fast as compared to the other ones. So I'm just going to go with A option, and let's move to the other one. I just pressed the quick now. By the way, meanwhile we do it, I'm using Opus 4.8. The effort is at high, not at the maximum. I have other models that I can use as well, but this is what I'm using at the moment. You are approaching a zebra crossing. A pedestrian is waiting on the pavement at the edge of the crossing but has not stepped on it. What would you do? Continue at your current speed since they have not started crossing. Slow down and prepare to stop, giving way if they step onto the crossing. Sounds your horn, wave them cross. So B is the most reasonable answer at the moment, and I'm going to go with that. Let's see what it will do to the next one. You're joining a motorway from a slip road. What is the correct procedure? Stop at the end of the slip road and wait for the gap in the traffic. Move straight into the lane 2 so you are clear of joining the traffic. Adjust your speed to the match the traffic in lane 1. Then merge into the safe gap. Drive along the hard shoulder until the gap appears. So I think the best option over here for me is B as well. So I'm not very good at that. Let's see what it will do. Your car has an anti-locking braking system, ABS. You need to brake hard in an emergency on a dry road. What is the correct technique? Pump the brake pedal rapidly to stop the wheels locking. Press the brake pedal firmly and keep it pressed, steering as needed. Uh, Press the brake pedal and clutch pedal together and release the brake if you feel vibration. Brake gently at first, then hard once the car settled. B is kind of a more right option for me at this moment. I'm just gonna go with that. Let's see the result overall if I pass or fail, because this is a mode test using the Claude AI, and that's the whole purpose of it. So yeah, it's contemplating at the moment and gathering all the results, and it will get back to me in a few seconds. So round over, score 2 out of 5. I got only 2 questions right, 3 and the 5. Said 30 mph. Correct answer was 60. You said 36 meters. The correct answer was 53. You said B, move into the lane 2. Correct answer. C, match speech, then merge. Hazard perception. These are all the things that it told me, and obviously I failed, but that's the purpose of it. If I keep trying, I'll eventually get my marks to the right spot. So this is pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.